Okay, so what kind of clothing will you be carrying?
Well, for this first launch, we're doing t-shirts and tank tops. Okay, I know summer's coming around. This is gonna be my first launch. We're testing everything, seeing how everything's gonna come out and how everything's gonna sell for the first launch. And if everything sells pretty fast, we're gonna do a second launch, and it's gonna be a much bigger launch. We'll have sweatpants, we'll have hoodies, we'll have more size variations, and we're gonna have more color variations. So I'm gonna bring some pretty interesting designs to the table, and I'm pretty sure you guys will like it. Clothing will be top-notch quality, guaranteed.
So, will you be telling us in the future where we can purchase these items from? Because I'm really interested.
Yes, you'll be getting your most updates from following us on Instagram at OneUp Athletics. We will be putting out our clothing launches there. Links will be there. You can go to the YouTube channel. On our videos, the website link will be there. So yes, the website is in productions right now. We're still working on it, and yeah, by the time the launch is out, the website will be up and you guys can place your orders. It will be online, so you can order it from anywhere. Well, anywhere in the US. We don't do international shipping. So
what made you decide to do this, Darius?
I was really into fitness, and I always wanted to build a name for myself and just get a group of people motivated, because in this game of fitness now, it really takes a lot of dedication and support. Really, if you have no support and you're not self-motivated, most likely you're gonna quit. And this is why I created this brand. So once you see somebody else with this brand, you know that you got that support. We all know we're in this together, and yeah, this is what we love to do, and we're here to push each other. So yeah.
Okay, you heard it, YouTube family. I'm gonna ask you to support my grandson.
Like I said again, guys, make sure you follow us on Instagram at OneUp Athletics. Same thing for Twitter and Facebook. And for YouTube, subscribe to our channel, OneUp Athletics. Hit that notification bell. We will be putting up diet videos, workout plans, and tips on just performing better at whatever you need help at. So yeah, guys, this is OneUp Athletics. One up yourself.
And this is Grandma Ray Don't Play, and together we thank you.